bitch, you poppin'. You want it, you got it. You badass bitch, you poppin'. If you want it, you got it. You badass bitch, you poppin'. You want it, you got it. You badass bitch, you poppin'. You badass bitch, you poppin'. You badass bitch, you poppin'. I'm a real ass nigga, I got it.
What's up, welcome to the KA Squad. Hey everybody, welcome to another one of my videos. It's your girl Kalisha, we're back with another video. We're back with another one. It's like that. But today I'm going to be doing a room tutorial. As you see, my door is shut a little bit because my little sister, she be scared. Get up, Paula, hop up. Y'all, she not dressed right now because she wanted to think she get in the tub, but we finna get in there after I'm done with this video. And she tried to go around the water and be a slick and try to get in there, but I caught her. Don't mind my hair, I look a mess, y'all. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Get up there, because if you come down, I'm gonna slap you. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna be doing shout outs, giveaways, and I'm gonna give people and in the description it's gonna be my Messenger, basically Instagram. Yeah, because I don't have Snapchat. I have to delete it. I have to delete it because people was hacking my stuff. But I'm finna make a new one though. But now my door's shut. Oh, I forgot, y'all. I can't shut my door all the way because my cord. Shut up! But I'm right here, y'all. But if you walk into my room, so straight when you walk into my room, just open it. Straight when you walk in. That's not gonna happen. Hold on. Alright, y'all. But alright. Start over. Straight when you walk in, you see my bunk bed. People say bunk bed is just childish, but I don't want to have a bed and I want to sleep with my little sister, but she's naked. So, cause I sit behind her. Jump. Hold on, wait, y'all. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait, y'all. Hold on, wait. Alright, y'all. I already helped my little sister. But, right now, what I'm finna do is, so when you straight walk in, don't come from behind her. See my bunk bed? It's all nice and neat. So her end is down here, and this is my end. And then this is my bed on the bottom, and hers is on top. But, close it. Now. So the ladder's not there. I took it down because I wanted it down and I wanted it off. So I don't have my little brother get in. Alright, so next, she's just gonna stay right here. So right here is just a little free space behind my bed. So I'm gonna grab my little sister, go over there. So when you walk in, you see my dresser in my bed. My dresser's right here. Stay over there. My dresser right here with all my pictures in 4th grade. I'm in 5th grade right now, but it has all my memories. It has some pictures of me and my dad, and then I have clothes. I got my brown stuff ready for school. No, and when I get out the tub. And then I have my school shirt ready, and then I just gotta get some school pants off the dryer, and then we'll be good. But then my closet. Okay, my closet. When you straight walk in, it's a dresser, but it has stuff on it. It has my slime, it has deodorant, it has shoes, it has all my shoes, and then it has jackets. This, it has my thing where my panties and bras is, and then that. Then it has this on the top, but. This is what I like about it, because these my little sister clothes and stuff in here, because I didn't want it out there because it would have took too much stuff. Like, it would have took too much like room in my out there, so we put it in here. I was thinking about putting it here. And I have my little box, and then I have my 4 slimes. I'm going to show y'all my 4 slimes in my next video. All of different colors and stuff. But, and I got my deodorants. Then I got her clothes and stuff. Then, dang, my deodorants. But, sorry, get over there now. You know what?
No.
Hold on. I got my drawers with my stuff. Then I got my other stuff. Then I got my other shirts. Then I got this. Then I got this. And I got my school clothes. Y'all, I got everything folded in my drawer because I don't like messy people. But, I got my little belts right here. Then that's basically my room tutorial. But then now I'm just gonna give y'all a quick simple quiet tutorial. Shh. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a quiet tutorial about my room. Stand back there. So I'm gonna turn around my camera and then gonna show y'all about my room. By the way, guys, don't mind the mess on the top bunk. My little sister was playing with her stuff. So guys, I hope you guys liked that tutorial of my room, and hopefully you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully, I don't know, hopefully you guys have a good day and enjoy your life. But I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
You poppin', you want it, you got it. Badass bitch, you poppin'. If you want it, you got it. You badass bitch, you poppin'. You want it, you got it.